This is the new project Nissan Patrol. It's damaged here. We're gonna repair this bumper. Okay, and we're gonna fix this part as well, the whole area. And these lines over there, we'll paint this one as well. And it has few scratches at the back as well. So there is nothing but only this side and this part. So the full video will be shown after it is ready. Nissan Patrol, guys. This is Nissan Patrol Part 2. As we have mentioned earlier, that we will upload the video once the car is complete. So this is the complete car. As you can see that it is very nicely repaired. Before you have seen dents and scratches. Now there is no dent on the bumper and it is completely repaired. It is nicely repaired and you can see that no scratches left, and you can see as it is, like it's looking like